Since PISA began in 2000, the United States has been stuck at below average, not getting better or not getting worse. In fact, right now, we're 26 out of 34 countries. And I ask you, is 26 out of 34 good enough? Well, at Los Alamos National Laboratory, we said no way. So we designed a Math and Science Academy for teachers in northern New Mexico, and we studied what was working in other places.
As I walked into classrooms on my first day as MSA staff to coach teachers, I found that teachers were struggling deeply with the mathematics, and I thought, well, I can't coach them unless they have the content, and we can talk about the content.
At other schools, and watching mathematics instruction and going, this is really just procedures. It's the algorithm. It's 2 + 2 = 4, and there's no other way to do it. And there was no discussion about why that is, and that's one of the key points for me when I think about the growth that teachers have gone through.
The whole idea when I first heard it is like, they're going to teach us, they're going to reteach us how to teach mathematics and science, and it sounded interesting, but I was like, well, the way I'm doing it seems pretty good, but after you go through it, you're just, you go through the program and you just realize in many cases that the way that you've been teaching is very ineffective,
The process itself of getting to that point of confidence, having that identity, as I'm a math learner and now I'm ready to teach and be a really strong teacher of mathematics, takes a lot of time and a lot of investment, frankly.
A big change is, it's not just me standing there teaching and giving them all the information. That's a big change, I think, for all of us, where we have to, give the kids control.
I think one of the ways that it's really changed a lot is, one, knowing that, I always thought I was pretty good at math. Science, I felt okay, but I didn't feel as strong. And now I'm realizing that you really have to be solid in the content knowledge.
The biggest part that has impacted me is the Native American leadership aspect of it, where you begin looking at being a leader for a community, for a specific population, that being that population, the Native American learner. So when you are in a population like that, it is definitely different. Their approaches are different. The material has to be different because they are definitely under different experiences in their culture, in their village. So when they're experiencing that, we have to make sure that we understand it and apply what we can apply to our teaching to help the person learn a little bit better.
So